Operations research involves mathematical modeling, statistical analysis, and optimization techniques to solve problems and make better decisions in complex scenarios that is useful, for example, in the management of organizations. Strategy development is the process of crafting plans and approaches to achieve long-term goals. Here's a comprehensive overview of both topics. Operations research. Operations research, OR, is a field that applies analytical methods to improve decision-making. It involves 1. Mathematical modeling, creating mathematical representations of real-world systems to analyze and make predictions. Common techniques include linear programming, nonlinear programming, integer programming, and simulation. 2. Optimization, finding the best solution among various alternatives, considering constraints and objectives. This can be applied in logistics, supply chain management, resource allocation, and more. 3. Simulation, creating models to imitate real-world systems, enabling analysis and prediction of outcomes, useful in assessing the impact of different scenarios. 4. Decision analysis, utilizing techniques to make informed decisions in uncertain conditions, often involving probability and risk analysis. 5. Forecasting and prediction, using statistical methods and data analysis to forecast future trends or outcomes. Problems are broken down into basic components and then solved in defined steps by mathematical analysis. A researcher must determine which of the explained techniques are most appropriate given the nature of the system, the goals for improvement, and constraints on time and computing power, or develop a new technique specific to the problem at hand. Operational research is used extensively in the following problems and areas: critical path analysis or project planning, identifying those processes in a multiple dependency project which affect the overall duration of the project, production time reduction, network optimization, resource allocation problems, determining facility location, assignment problems, optimal search, routing, such as determining the routes of buses so that as few buses are needed as possible, supply chain management, managing the flow of raw materials and products based on uncertain demand for the finished products, project production activities, managing freight transportation and delivery systems, globalizing operations processes, scheduling, determining optimal prices in many retail and B2B settings, efficient messaging and customer response tactics, automating or integrating robotic systems in human-driven operations processes, cutting stock problem, that is cutting small items out of bigger ones. Strategy development. Developing strategies involves crafting long-term plans and approaches to achieve organizational goals. Key elements include 1. Vision and mission definition, defining the organization's purpose and values. 2. Environmental analysis, evaluating internal and external factors that could impact the organization's success. SWOT analysis, strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, threats. 3. Goal setting, establishing clear, measurable objectives aligned with the organization's vision. 4. Strategy formulation, creating plans and initiatives to achieve the defined goals. This can involve differentiation, cost leadership, innovation, partnerships, etc. 5. Implementation and execution, translating strategies into actionable plans, allocating resources, and overseeing their execution. 6. Performance measurement and adjustment, monitoring progress, assessing performance against objectives, and adapting strategies if needed. Would you like a more detailed breakdown of specific concepts within operations research or strategy development? Feel free to specify any particular areas or aspects you'd like to explore further.